Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a quick side. I'm going to be making potato salad today. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a bit of potato salad, not a lot. These are all my ingredients that I will be using. I'll be using some salad cream, mayonnaise, a bit of black pepper, a bit of salt, 2 eggs, and if you notice, I've done some sweet pepper, otherwise known as bell peppers, all different colors, and there's a little bit of spring onion, also called scallion. And here's my potato, guys. I'm only using 3. I'm only making a small amount today, so let's start. So guys, here are my potatoes that I will be using today. I won't be using a potato peeler. I'll be using a little knife because I prefer to use my knife. So here I go. Here I am. I'm gonna wash them off first with all your vegetables that you use. Anything you're using, guys, make sure they're washed and make sure your environment is always clean. So here I am washing them. Then I'm gonna start peeling them. I'll start with this big one first. And you can use any amount of potato, any amount you want you can use. I'm just doing a little bit, so I don't need a lot. I'm only doing a small amount. So guys, here's my potatoes all nice and clean. I'm just gonna dice them up now. And I've added my eggs in about 3 minutes ago. Yeah, because I need my eggs to be boiled really hard. So I've added them in 3 minutes ago before I'm gonna add my potato. Yeah, I'm gonna use the same pot, guys. So this is me dicing up my potato. This is how I dice mine. I had them in my pot. As I said, I had my eggs 3 minutes ago. I'm also gonna add a little bit of salt in, just a pinch of salt, and I'm gonna leave that to boil. Come back and check it later and show you guys. As you can see, guys, my potatoes are all ready. See, the fork is going through, and as I said, I don't want it to cook too much. So I'm just gonna strain it off now. Here I am straining them off. I'm also gonna remove my eggs. Bear in mind my eggs was washed as well. My eggs was washed when I put them in. They were washed and clean. So I'm just gonna put them here and pick them off later. So guys, my eggs are all cooled down. I've picked one. So I'm just about to pick the other one, guys. This is how you pick your eggs. My potatoes are also cooled down as well. I'm just waiting to start the next process. So here's my eggs. They're all picked. I'm not gonna use the yolk. I'm only gonna use the white. So I'm just gonna open it. I won't be using this bit of the egg, guys. So I'm just gonna cut my egg up, just the white, not the yolk. I'm just gonna cut it up in my potatoes, guys. There it is. That's how you do it, guys. Then I'm gonna add my other ingredients in a bit. I'm gonna add my mayonnaise. You can use any amount of mayonnaise that you want, but I'm just gonna stop there for now. I'm also gonna add my salad cream. I'm now adding in all my mixed peppers, mixed bell peppers, and a little bit of spring onion. So there I am adding them in, guys. I also want to add a little bit of black pepper. And that's enough for me. Then I'm going to use a fork and start mixing it in. There it is, guys, all mixing in nicely. And you don't want your potatoes to mash up too much because you're not doing mashed potato. So you don't. I'm gonna add a bit more mayonnaise. You don't want your potatoes to all mashed out. You want it cooked, but not for it to be mashed out. So there it is, guys, all nicely done. There it is, guys, all finished and nicely